You never know what they're doing at first.
Well, not everyone's cut out for the finer points of construction working.
I seem to remember you trying to pick up one of them.
Hey, it's a new guy. Get on over here, buddy.
Hey, guys.
Hey, welcome to the team. My name's Chet.
Hey,
What's
how's it? That always got away from me. I'm sorry.
What was that? Was that a handshake?
Listen, you're judged out here by a handshake. If you got a weak handshake, what do you think people are going to think when you pick up a rivet gun?
Yeah, man. You have to be able to handle a 2-ton steel grinder against a steel cable. You gotta put your muscle behind it like a man. Now, put it there. All right.
They're good?
Tiger,
I know I'm good.
Well, you got moxie. I think we work with moxie.
Oh, God. Yeah, thanks, guys. I know I can really...
All right, rule number 1. Don't talk when we're talking.
Yeah.
All right, rule number 2. You gotta be here at least 30 minutes early every day.
Yeah, that one's a chick, sir. I was here 35 minutes early on the first day.
You're a little bit excitable, aren't you?
Did
What?
Do you want to put the newspaper down, or?
I didn't know.
Oh, we're just messing with it.
Okay. So, is there anything that needs to be set up today, like blueprints need to be ran?
My green man. We have far more important tasks in the morning.
We provide a service to the ladies that walk through here to get their waffles.
We make them feel good about themselves and walk tall.
You mean they walk by here and you catcall them?
Whoa!
I'm
Whoa!
sorry.
I'm gonna be sick.
Catcall?
Look, we are gentlemen of society, okay?
Yeah, we don't think they're pieces of meat or something.
This isn't a butcher shop, it's a construction site.
That way, I guess.
We have to do our duty every morning, alright? And Bill here, he's gonna show you, he's gonna lead by example, alright?
All right, let's get this started.
Yeah,
Watch.
Bill.
Oh, here goes pretty. Watch and learn.
Hey, baby, you got mirrors in your pants? Cause I think I can see me in them.
You see how that was done?
Yeah, man, I got this.
It was smooth like the phones.
I got this.
Let's get this.
Ready, go!
You should come, man. Try that.
Excuse me, are you walking around in here because you're trying to lose your obesity? That one sounded different coming,
You can't insult them. All right, just watch how Chet does it. Let him show you. He's a true master.
All right. Hey, babe. Did it hurt? Or you fell from heaven because you're an angel?
I should have used that one.
That's nice, right? All right. Now, just try to go up to that and do your own thing. Now, try that.
Hey, how is it? Well, did it hurt? I mean, did it hurt? No, I mean, did it hurt?
That is assault.
You gotta be careful, man. These are your package.
I mean, there was an accident.
That's not what a face for mates.
And that's a bargain.
Bad.
All right. Are we pushing him too hard? Is that it?
We must be. Just try and relax. Let it flow, you know?
Loosen up a little bit. Oh, here comes a real pretty one.
It's all yours.
Oh, wow.
Try it out, man.
All right. Excuse me, are you familiar with the old saying, you are what you eat? Well, I'm pretty sure you just devoured the prettiest girl ever! No, you're not fat at all. Your legs are a little big, but I can do it. That's not what I meant to say.
What are you doing?
I'm trying too hard, man.
Relax.
Just relax a little bit. Let's let him try again. See, maybe you'll pull something out.
One more try, man.
Hey! You got mirrors in your pockets? Because I got windows! pretty. What can I say?
You know what? Just try your own thing.
We're just gonna sit back and watch
We're
you.
gonna walk. Just do your own thing.
Wow. I would just like to say that I love coming to work every day, being able to see those beautiful eyes, because they make me die on the inside.
What was that?
That was horrible! That's what you get to dance with, you suck.
Yeah, if you want to use lines like that, just go down to the sewage factory.
You know, I think, oh, no way! I never would have thought it. Holy cow!
All right, what was that? You make me want to die?
Your eyes make me want to kill you.
Yeah!